That's the new piece.
Hey boys, I'm not gonna lie, this video might be an extremely legendary idea. I'm quite excited for it, so if you guys want to give a huge thumbs up, comment down below, that'd be wild. I also realized in this day and age on YouTube, you know, bribing works, so we're doing a giveaway. Boys, if we get 2,000 likes within the day, we're giving away this gold nugget ring right here. I gave you guys the opportunity a bunch of videos ago, but you didn't quite hit it, so if you guys hit it today, do it. Instagram's right there. Tell me you did so if you feel like it. Hit a follow. Also, man, this video is brought to you by the good people over at namebrandfam.com. Link is down below. It's our website. We sell fake jewelry on there, I'm not gonna lie, but I handpick every piece. I try to give you guys the best price possible. I literally only make like a few bucks off each order, but if you add it up, it's quite a bit of money, hopefully. Anyway, what do we sell? Rings, jewelry, really cool stuff. Here's two things that you guys have been really digging on the website. The catch is, everything's free. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping, and you can actually add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. Namebrandfan.com. Thank you guys for shopping it. It really helps with, you know, money for videos mostly. And women. Not sure how yet, but we're gonna figure that one out. Alright, so let's get into it, man. I realized this idea, it's super dope, but it's gonna take some pitching because it sounds absolutely ridiculous. So, I don't know where to start. We'll start from the truth. I don't know if you guys know, but I've done a lot of wild videos in the past. From bringing my Yeezys to 7-Eleven, filling it up with a Slurpee so it can make it a different color, it's kind of cool, to making Yeezy skates and deep frying them, to taking a silver chain and hydro dipping it gold so it looks like a gold chain. I've come up with some wild stuff, but I'm not gonna lie, most of those ideas come from a little, which I do not promote, not whatsoever, unless you're the legal age, da-da-da-da-da, you know, it helps with my anxiety and stuff like that, and I'm not gonna lie. Also, like, when my girlfriend's on a night shift at the hospital saving lives, so she claims, you know, what else am I gonna do? I gotta keep entertained somehow. So I feed us out, and I think about Selena Gomez. Or, I start to scheme a little bit on, like, kind of some wild video ideas. I think we got one right now. I still don't know how to pitch it. I'll be right back. We're gonna get in the same headspace, I think. Yeah, that works. Now I'm really excited about this idea. All right, man, so here's what I was thinking. I was like, how can we, this is literally my thought process. I'm doing it for the boys. I'm like, how can I make it so like when people are wearing fake jewelry, it's always gonna pass a diamond tester? Weird idea, but kind of cool. We'd all like that, right? Now, you know, I'm going through my thoughts at this point, and I'm like, obviously the easiest way is to get real diamond jewelry and you don't gotta fake it whatsoever. However, a lot of people can't afford that. Next easiest way is you can actually buy diamonds called moissanite, and you can get a full necklace, a ring, or whatever you want out of moissanite. And generally with moissanite, what it is, it's like a more expensive fake diamond. I don't know the logistics of it. I just know sometimes it actually does pass diamond testers, quite often, sometimes. But that moissanite jewelry is also like quite a bit of money. So I thought, what if we took, digging this idea again now, what if we took a piece of our already fake jewelry, bought 1 piece of moissanite diamond, took out one of the fake diamonds out the jewelry and attached the moissanite one, then we bring out the diamond tester and we know what diamond to test. So for example, you're on like Snapchat or like Instagram story or whatever, you bring out the chain. Boys, we just dropped 13K on this chain. It's fake. You got it for 10 bucks. You click the right one, you know what I mean? That one buzzes, it's real. Nobody's gonna ask you, hey, test all of them. And if they do, you slap them. So what I did after that is I got a, I bought a moissanite diamond, a singular one off eBay. It wasn't too much money. It's right here. That's a moissanite diamond. I actually haven't tested it yet. I will test it with the diamond tester. If this doesn't work out, then we're all screwed. Anyway, without further ado, before we get into the whole custom process of putting this in a fake chain, see how it looks, let's just take her out right now. Once again, I haven't tested this yet. I waited for the video. I don't know why, because if it doesn't work, once again, there goes that. Put her on the diamond. Let's go. Red means good. Yeah, I was hoping that would work. I wasn't sure though. All right, so now that we have our fake diamond, we have to find something that'll fit it. Now I found a chain. Let me go get the chain. Got the chain. So this is when I have to start to say, like, this is the early stages of this really sick idea. I don't know diamond sizes, so when I bought it off eBay, I bought a random one. Obviously, with any of the prop jewelry that I have right now, it's not gonna fit it perfect. So this is just a trial to see if this actually might be a good idea in the long run. But what I have right here, the closest thing that this diamond could match up to, the diamond's a little bigger than these ones, is this chain right here. I've never placed diamonds in jewelry, nor have I taken diamonds out of jewelry, so this might be a little bit of a task. But just keep in mind, if this goes well, we'll actually buy the right size diamond for the right size jewelry at one point. Once again, this is just a test, something I was gonna do alone. I may as well do with the boys. I'm just sitting here thinking about how to like get the diamonds out of this thing and put the new one back in, and now I'm realizing this might be the douchiest video we have ever made. I love it. I think it's hilarious, but wow, this is stupid. Hey boys, today I'm gonna tell you how to take a fake diamond out of your fake chain and put another fake one in that might pass a diamond test. Start peeling back the metal along the diamond, bro, just like a banana peel, or like Selena Gomez's Clutch Hill brand. So as you guys can see, there's prongs on all of these. You know what I mean? That's what sets them in. So I picked the one. I picked the one of choice, and what we're gonna do is completely disassemble him. Oh, I lost it. Oh, I lost it. They all look the same. Now one's loose. I just finished doing one. Oh, this might be an issue. All right, we'll take another one. Please leave love down below. It's all that's going on in my head right now as I do this. I'm like, this is so dumb. I hope they dig it. I lost the diamond again. What one was I working on? They all look the same, bro. All right, man, first diamond's out. So here's where the issue once again comes into play. This diamond is a lot bigger than this one. I screwed up a little bit. However, you know, if you guys want a part two of us doing it right, oh God. Oh no, it's not gonna look good. You guys get what we're trying to do though. You know what I mean? Good enough though. Go grab the glue. We're getting sticky. Oh man. And welcome back to Derping Out with Brand. Alright, so I don't know how diamonds are set. I think this is something I'm really gonna have to learn, you know? But oh God, that's a clip and a half, bro. Oh shoot. Oh, it's stuck to my fucking finger. Anyway, I think we're just gonna glue her in. Oh, you idiot. It's over. I think it's over. I just glued the top of it where you're supposed to diamond test the damn thing, bro. Crazy glue all over it. My fingers are stuck together like some Siamese twins, which I'm not against. It's just kind of freaky if you weren't born like that. Yeah, we screwed that up. Hold on, we gotta test to see if it still works. Oh, there's no reading. Oh, bro, you effed up. Twice. Fuck. Alright, so that went awry. She no longer passes the diamond test. This is why we're just testing it though. We're still going through with it. We're too far, man. We're too far with this cool idea to not. Oh, oh, it's stuck in the bottle. Oh! All right, find the hole, find the hole, find the hole and stick her in, buddy. It's getting goopy. Long story short, this is what we're doing. We're gluing her right in there. It's not how you set a diamond, I guess. Totally thought it was. I totally thought they just used glue. Apparently not. Ah! Ah! And there we have it, boys. A little hardship later. Real cloudy because there's a little bit of super glue on it. But I think we get the picture. Now let's see how the Instagram audience digs it. All right, boys, here's how this would kind of go. What's up, Instagram? I just got a $30,000 chain right here. What diamond should I test to prove it's real? Beep, 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 beep. So once we get this right, that's kind of how it's gonna go, boys. You know what I mean? It's giving you the visuals. All right, that's bad video. I'm sorry. Good video, good idea, amazing idea. Bad execution. We'll work on it though. Appreciate y'all for watching. Merc in the game, the greatest of all time. Y'all again. Let's walk in my washroom. Get naked. Bye. I put that one up too.